What's up, you guys? It's Daniel here, and today we're at my favorite beach here in La Jolla where I'm going to be doing a leg workout. I'm super excited about this. It's going to be really difficult, but I'm feeling the pre-workout hitting, so let's jump into this. We're going to start the workout with a jog all the way down this hill that goes all the way to the beach. At the very end of this workout, I'm going to be sprinting up this hill, which I'm super excited about. That's going to be like really tough. So anyway, I'm turning off the camera right now because time to move. I'll see you guys down. All right, guys, we made it down to the beach. Look at this. This is amazing. I basically have the entire beach to myself. How often does this happen? This is one thing I don't miss about going to the gym. I don't have to wait for anyone to finish any equipment. Fresh air, don't have to wear a mask, don't have to wear a shirt. It's amazing, man. It feels really good. It's also middle of December here in San Diego, California. So Thursday, so that's also why there are very few people here. All right, guys, we're gonna start with the first exercise, and that's piston squats. Man, as you can see, my form on the pistol squat, I'm really having a hard time with the balancing thing, but that's all right. I'm gonna get used to it. Today was the first day that I did it like on the ground. I've been doing it elevated a little bit, so I could really kind of work on the range without having to worry too much about having my other leg up, because that's honestly what makes it really hard. I was gonna do calves, but I think I'm gonna sprint up the hill a couple times and then do calves. This is actually the second time I'm doing it. I'm doing it for this video, so I'll see you guys at the top. Hey guys, whew, we made it to the top, man. Wow, that's pretty good. Whew. Just trying to catch my breath. Wow, man, I'm out of shape. Oh boy, I want to keep running up hills until this becomes easier, man. Wow. So we got that out of the way. We're gonna do a little bit of calves up here. Then we're gonna head back down there, do a couple more exercises, and then we're done for the day. right, guys, so that was it for the calf exercise. Normally I do a second exercise, but today I'm gonna keep it just a little bit on the light side. So we're headed back down to the beach, where we're gonna do the last exercise. Why can't I just go home and do this exercise? I don't know, man. I guess I just love the beach so much. I just want to stay here as long as possible. I've been here all day, honestly. The sun's about to set in about 35-40 minutes. Oh man, if you're sitting at home and you're just watching YouTube and just eating junk food and not really doing much, not really be productive, just keep doing that, okay? Please don't do this to yourself. See what I'm doing? You see what I'm putting myself through? I'm kidding, guys. If you can, like, I mean, look at this. This is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. Isn't that, that's just incredible. That's just amazing. That alone is just worth it. That just makes this entire day completely, absolutely worth it. Alright guys, so we're done with the workout today, and I really want to jump in the water. It's mid-December, and it's a great way to end the workout. Cold water is super good for your central nervous system. It's good for your muscles. It's what a lot of athletes do after they train. So the only thing is, I didn't come prepared for that. So I'm thinking of just stripping into my underwear and just doing it. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, maybe I'll leave it for next time, because screw it, guys. I'm doing it right here. Gonna jump in the Pacific, mid-December. So I'm just gonna sit down. I gotta get in deeper. Oh, man. Whew. It's cold, guys. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.